I opened Microsoft Word in my Windows computer and I created this symbol, that is input symbol for numbers. I created using this keyboard shortcut Alt 128290. Suppose in your computer, if num lock is off, you must turn on the number lock. Now you can see an Alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this Alt key. Don't remove your finger from this Alt key. At the same time, you must type here 128290. After typing 128290, you can release your finger from this Alt key. You can see that we have created this symbol. You can try in Microsoft Word. So open Microsoft Word in your Windows computer and you can try using this keyboard shortcut. Hope this video helps you. For more videos you can subscribe.